Coming up on Nathan Hodgson Music and Life, I'll be going to the shops to see if I can find some honey to make a gorgeous honey cake. Let's try some. Hello and welcome to Nathan Hodgson Music and Life. I will be travelling to the supermarket to see if they have any honey in stock. If there is no honey, there is no honey cake. So without further ado, let's discuss the plan. The plan is simple. I'm going to go to Tesco, one of the biggest supermarkets in the UK, and purchase some honey to use in my honey cake. Unfortunately, me and Mum got a little bit sidetracked.
Go nuts.
This is a Dua Lipa Arrow Words.
Entitled to a beautiful new blue passport.
Finally, we stopped messing around and we actually found the honey. Now it's time to get ourselves home, rest up, because tomorrow is a big day. Okay, so let's make our honey cake. Before we start any of the baking process, we need to remind you of the basics. Remember to wash your hands. Now that my hands are all clean and washed, I will join you in a jiffy. Alexa, set a timer. Alexa, stop. Now the honey cake is in the oven and it's going to be ready to eat soon.
1 hour later.
Let's try some. It's really nice. Thank you for watching Nathan Hodgson Music and Life. If you'd like to see how I not only save money on food items but also tackle food waste, then you can check out this video on screen. But for now, it's goodbye from me.